everyone. Welcome to Unique Kids Art Easy and Simple. Now, today I'm going to make one card, Christmas card. How to make this Christmas card? Very simple method. It now ready. Piece of board, piece of board, dark color. I got dark color. If you want, you can any colors with. Yeah, dark color. Piece of paper. This size enough for big one, little bit big also enough. Okay, now I am going to color on this paper. What color? I give light colors, yellow, orange, that this is olive green, so that color. This is the 3-4 colors enough. Now I'm going to start now yellow color with I'm giving color outside. Now next color. This finish after one image will come up. That's why I'm giving it light color. Next one I will give here. Now, now I got this color with this paper. Now I'm going to fold behind, 4 side. Fold it here. Here I'm going to fold it here on this side. Why I am folding this paper? When you fold, this paper will come a little bit up. Leaf, it will come up. When you paste that time, this paper will come up. Look here, now came up, no? Yeah. Now this paper only will come here. I'm going to paste here. Yes, before. No, I'm going to paste now. Here blue. I'm going to add here this corner, 4 corner width and middle. Here, this enough. Now I'm going to paste here middle. Yes, middle width. After you can take a red color piece of paper, red color. can cut and take a round, big round. This paper with you can cut and take a big round, big circle, small one, other one drop shape, white color paper with, and this shape like a glass or something. Two pieces of paper, cut pieces for hand. I'm going to make Santa now. You know now. Santa cap. Okay. Now how to I'm going to paste everything you can look here. Big circle. Small circle. This one to hand. Up or down. You can decide. If you want here. Keep it. The Santa costume. The down part. That one. Now the drop. You are going to paste up gap, cap, center. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now this paste before you can cut and keep it. Cut and keep it thick board with piece of thick board. I have or 4 3. You can cut and keep it. Why? You can fold 3 times, 4 times. 1 2 3 4 times, and then paste. Now I'm going to paste here. Any paste will come up 3D. Yes. Next one, same piece of board, pasting here, two side, and that the circle here. Don't it here, that board. Just you can paste piece of white paper. I want to paste here. Yeah, I'm putting up. Now you can add. Okay. Now we have this white color drop shape paper. Why I'm going to paste on here. This before you can act eyes, nose, mouth, everything. How to do that one? Just watch here. Up two lines, eyebrow. Another line here, this eyes will come. Put the round, put the round. Now just you can add here nose, half circle. Now you can add this line. Now here to here, here to here. Now you can add here lines. Okay, if you want thick eyebrow with up. Now nicely came. Now I'm going to paste here. Now I'm going to paste here. If you like, you can paste like this. If you don't like, you can paste this turn with. If you don't like, center with. Which one you like, that way you can paste nicely. Now I'm going to paste like this. Yeah, turn. Okay. I'm going to put here glove, piece of paper with. I'm going to paste that glove. This gloves came outside. It's okay, nicely came. It doesn't matter. Now piece of paper I'm going to paste here. Now nicely came. I'm going to add some details. I use yes, I'm going to use marker. Black color. Again here also. Now this leg, this shoe you can add here black color with. Directly you can color with. Now came nicely. Now front page, our card nicely came. Inside you can cut piece of paper. You can paste here. If you want some details, writing something here. Before you, if you want a different shape with, you can cut like this. Merry Christmas. Some you can give color, but don't need fully color. When you give fully, you can't write later. Very difficult. If you want chalk color, no, it will be half is enough. If you don't like this one, you can give here. Just watch I'm giving color. Just I'm giving color. That's enough. That's enough. Now I'm going to add here later. Nicely came. Now can write here. This enough. This much chalk color. This enough here. Crayon chalk color here. If you want, you can use watercolor also. Okay, I use color chalk colors. Now you can paste here. No, don't put more glue. Just corner. Just corner and this side is enough. Now center it. Little bit. I cut it already. I cut it this paper. Border with I paste here. Border. That's our card border here. That's nicely came. Now I close here. So nicely. If you want, you can add here. With that black color. Black color. This enough. Easy. Nicely 3D relief. Relief came here up. This part and this part, everything, and here piece of paper. Nicely. This is our handmade. Nicely came. If you like, you can use this color, like this color. This color. You know, that's big paper, but after you can fold. Folding, see here. Nicely. This is a moon. That's why I leave it this place. Okay, this dark color with. After you can paste the center, that image with. Nicely. This kind of. Other one, this kind of. This is a more dark here. Dark red colors have. Center also red color. Carefully. That's without red you can apply here. Yes. Okay. Other card I will show nicely. See here. Piece of paper I have inside. Card. Other one have this one chalk color with crayon chalk. This not color paper. White paper with I give color. Also nicely came. Okay, now thank you so much. Now our work finished. If you like, you can make many cards. I will meet next channel with. Thank you so much. Bye.